whispers fly. Look at that door, oh my, oh my. Rusty metal, paint all chipped, a shameful sight. My pride just dipped, but oh, what they don't know, transformation's bound to show. GarageSkins, 30 minutes flat, turning my ugly door into a classy stat. From metal to wood, a stunning disguise. Now my garage gleams and catches her eyes. Yesterday they shook their heads, that thing's a relic, the neighbors said. But now they stop, they pause, they stare. Is that mahogany? Oh, how rare. GarageSkins, 30 minutes flat, turning my ugly door into a classy stat. From metal to wood, a stunning disguise. Now my